What I'm holding in my hands right here is a stack of flashcards, and really all I need is 2 for the next hack. We'll also need 8 foam board cutouts that are the same size as the flashcards. For example, here I have mine. From these 8, I will take 6 and cut out the center. About this size works for me. If you do try this, just know that it's a bit time consuming, but totally worth it if you want to sneak some food and candy into class. So here are my 6 cutouts. As far as the other 2 pieces of foam board, I will glue my flashcards onto each one. I'll set these aside for now. I'll also be gluing the stack with the center cutouts. Stack them all up on top of each other, just like you see me doing right here. One piece of foam board with a flash card will be glued on the bottom of the stack. Before I put the other piece of foam board on, I will fill up the center of the stack with some Skittles, but of course you can choose to put chips in there or any other type of candy. I'll cover the candy with the other flash card, except that this time we won't glue it on, but rather place a piece of tape on it to keep it in place, just on one side though. Now we have a flap that we can easily open and close each time we want to grab some candy from inside. Look at that, guys. From a distance, it will look like a stack of flash cards, so there's no reason to question these if you leave them on top of your desk. You'll have lots of candy at your disposal, just lift up and grab one.